everybody, and well, wait. There. Now the fan's off. But hello everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be uniquely about the Vickers Light 105, a tier 10 light tank of the British tech tree. I got 100 XP crew on it, and well, yeah, now we're kind of OP because the Vickers Light is basically that. It has great, insane armor, if you may say. It also has insane mobility. Everything's good about it. The DPM, the HE penetration, because of course it is a British heavy. Not a British heavy, a British tank. That's what I meant to say. But, anyways, we will get into that, I guess. And yes, let's do this. Let's annihilate all the enemy tanks with the Vickers Light 105. 10 years later. Well, at this rate, I might as well just magic poof. We're now in a battle. Ta-da! Anyways, so the Vickers Light 105 is a great tank, like I was saying, and more so because they haven't nerfed this tank. They've only nerfed the cruiser, which is a bit weird to me, because if they're touching the cruiser, they might as well touch the light too, because they're basically the same thing at everything. They're pretty OP, both of them. So yeah, we can come to the side here and see if we can get. No, we cannot penetrate that guy with standard, and I don't want to risk anything else because there is a lot of their tanks coming here, and I don't like that. Well, hopefully if this 57 heavy decides to go forward, or this guy, we can not penetrate, I meant HE into him for like 49 damage, I believe it was. And we can mobilize him, and I thought that might do damage. No, always nice to risk it. But we can get a ricochet on that guy, because it makes no sense. But we could get, no. Now there is this 62A Fearless, and he's acting pretty fearless, which is not good. Yeah, but this Grill 15, we can snap him, and he snaps us, which I did not expect, though I guess the Grill has amazing dispersion and accuracy. It has the same accuracy and dispersion as the Leopard 1, I believe. Okay, well, Sias 4, we might as well just. Okay, well, he's dead. And we have 0 damage. So I will try to pump out my numbers by killing you. Nice. Putting on adrenaline and getting a nice pop into him. I guess not. Nice HE. Nope. We are not seeming to penetrate this guy. Now that hurt. That hurt. I don't know why he was going for me. Could have gone to that 57 heavy that's literally behind him. But we did get out. Not the most damage. Well, I guess since my team doesn't want me to get damage, I only got out a few non-penetrating HEs and yeah, one penetrate. Yeah, that was a horrible game. Do not pay attention to that game. Do not. I'm actually pretty sad after that. Hopefully we can get better damage on Middleburg. I guess. We can go to the secret hidden position. Nice. Yes. Okay, now we can come right over here. And, okay. They must have, removed it? I don't know. I haven't done it in this last update. But this STB1 or this Gladiator, Progetto Gladiator, whatever you may call it. Or we could try again for position that rules all other positions because it's extremely OP. And only a few people know about it. And I want to keep it that way. Now that shot, I cannot tell you what happened there. I cannot. Now we can try to rush up here. Okay, well that's a bad shot. No, that's not gonna work because the 50B is there. Okay. No. I went out too far. Nice shot there. Yeah, and they're just gonna rush me. Great. Perfect. This is exactly what I want to happen today. Have a bat chat and 50B both rush me at the same time. I'm trying to focus here, as you can tell. I do hope my Nidhagen holds off against that guy. Okay, well, we bounced, which is the OP thing about this, but not so OP that my teammate be blocking me. Nice HE into him there. That was 400 damage. Not that bad of an HE. We can get a shot onto you, and then run. And get a nice HE. Okay, no. I can't penetrate any tanks with HE today. You, sir, you're gonna get slapped by HE, which is fine with me, and then we'll just slap you again since you aren't wearing Squall Liner. Nice. Ricochet into you. Okay, well, we did get cleared. Bad games. Very bad games. But we can't blame ourselves. We can blame this guy. We could do one more battle. That's, I think, what we are going to do. Yeah. That was actually a really good game, if only my team was better. And if I got to that position quickly, that would have been way better. But I guess not all things can work out, but this game, I have a feeling, is going to be good. It is. I don't know why I'm running XP boosters, well, crew XP boosters, not the regular XP boosters. Now I'm hoping that the rest of my team will not push this side, because, you know, OP teammates. Yeah, we're just gonna run. That's the #1 plan, I guess. Made by this, I was gonna say 263, but it's a 121. Not a 121B. I wish it was, though. He's staying right there. I will come up here to have a brace on this flank. Yes. I'm gonna run. I'm going to run. While I still can, I'm gonna run. Now, if I could get behind this Foch, that would be great. But he does seem to know that someone's here. OP camo of the Vickers. Okay, Wargaming. Nice. Get around him. Not pinned that HE. And then he probably reloaded his gun. No, yes, this is what I like. This is what I like to see. We have done it. Thank you, teammate, for mobilizing him. And then you, good sir, will not die because no team support. Well, hopefully if you enjoyed this pain video, feel free to like and subscribe. We might win this game. Who knows? I'll see you in the next one.